When it comes to financing foundations, you do have multiple options. With KC Pier, we allow financing, we have financing, we offer financing for our customers. But in addition, we also offer what we call A, B, and C solutions. A, B, and C solutions would be A option would be just what's the minimum that you need to do to kind of get by with a solution, to maybe buy some time to recover, to help with finances. A C solution would probably be like the Cadillac, and the B would be maybe the hybrid that kind of comes in between. So we do offer different pricing points depending on the issues that are happening within the home. There are times where financing is required by the homeowner, and we more than happy offer financing options. So we have two main options that most homeowners exercise. We have a 9.9 multi-year financing option, 5, 10, 15 years. You can pay it off early with no penalties. And then we also have a 12-month, same as cash, financing solution where there's no interest for 12 months. As long as it's paid off before 12 months, the homeowners basically are paying essentially just like cash for that multi-day or expensive financed solution for KC Pier. So when it comes down to financing, there are a couple options. We either can offer the multiple solutions in the house to help ease the financial commitments at the time, or we can go directly into financing, which we're happy to accommodate with one of our two plans.